Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today it's a nice sunny day, no wind in Florida. It's sunny, but it's about 90 degrees, and it ain't even 1 o'clock yet. Anyway, I'm going to start my summertime dishes now. I'm thinking I'm going to start off with a buffalo chicken salad. I got inspired from that from Emily's boyfriend Sean, his mother's family cookbook. Okay, I'll show you the recipe in a minute. But I wanted a basic chicken recipe, which I already had one, but I wanted to see if I can borrow another one of her recipes out of the book. So I'm using her recipe, doctor it up a little bit with the buffalo style, and it's going to be a good recipe, and hope you guys try it. And before we get started, let's give us a like anyway, okay? All right, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the recipe I'm using right here, and that's Emma's boyfriend's mom's recipe. That's it right there. That's the base recipe I'm using. Okay, the only thing I'm not doing is the mayonnaise. I'm doing a no mayonnaise chicken salad. The rest of this is all in there, plus some. Okay. And just to show you, this is the cover of the book, 2013 Family Recipes, and that's the back of the book. Okay. Thank you, Patti. All right, now, got 4 cups of chicken that I chopped up pretty good. Okay. Here I got, now this here, 1/3 fat, less fat cream cheese. Works good for the WW. And I also have the yogurt, 1/3 of a cup of each, which is back here. I was going to pick it up, but and then I have 1/3 of a cup of finely chopped onion, some celery. I got a green onion here. I chopped one little section about 2 inches long, and I'm going to put some of my diced jalapeno in. That's my favorite thing. And we're going to use a couple tablespoons of pickle juice here. This is Penny's jar. As you can see, all the pickles are gone. She saves the juice. And then we're going to add some of Moore's Original Buffalo sauce, okay? That's 0 points for the Weight Watchers. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to mix our stuff up here. I'm going to mix the cream cheese and the Greek yogurt. That's 1/3 of a cup of each. It's 2/3 of a cup total. Probably could have went a little less because I'm going to mix in some of the hot sauce, and that's like liquidy, so. But we'll mix this up. It's all good. As you can tell, camera girl's back from the store. She's getting ready to make her salad. And so this is probably the first of the dishes I'm making for the summertime, because it's cool and refreshing, because you keep it in the refrigerator and you eat it cold, huh? So let's mix this up a little bit. I don't measure the hot sauce. I just go to taste with that. So I can't tell you like a quarter of, I'm going to start out with a little less than a quarter of a cup in here. But, yep. Might throw a little bit more of the Greek yogurt in here. But anyway, we're going to toss some green onion. And I did that mainly for the flavor of it. The celery's going down. And you notice I diced that up pretty small. That was one medium-sized stalk, I guess you'd say. This is maybe 2/3 of a small onion that I got, 1/3 of a cup. Okay, 1/3 of a cup and 1/3 of a cup, and then a little chunk of these, huh? All right, so let me get my tablespoon out, because we're going to need 2 tablespoons of pickle juice. Da-da-da. So, 1, 2. I'll give a little bit just because that wasn't all the way filled up. Okay. So there you have the pickle juice in there. So we're going to stir that. That picked up the moisture a little bit. Yeah, but it's a hot day today in good old sunny Florida. We've been having wind for, I don't know, over a week probably. But that's not here today. And that's probably why it's a little warmer. Okay, so let me get my jalapeños. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of those in here. And again, that's just for flavor. All right, maybe a little more because, you know, I like them. All right, mix that in there. Okay, and for my surprise, I didn't tell you guys, I mean, this is a surprise, but here it is. Little squirt of mustard. We're going to scoot all this together. And then we're going to add in the buffalo sauce and go to town. I think this is perfect right now. And this is just another summertime dish. It don't matter. I'm sure there's other people that have something similar to this out there in the cooking world anywhere. Okay, so what we're going to do, barbecue sauce. I'm going to start out with a little bit less than 1/4 cup. And I'm going to try to measure it out a little bit to give you guys a go point. Let's say that's about 1/8 cup, right? A little more. I'm going to pour that in there. I don't want to overdo it because this stuff can catch you off guard. Take your breath away. Take your breath away. All right. Wow. Got a nice aroma. Now this is where you mix this in. And I always take a taste because, like I said, it'll be good, and all of a sudden you put a little too much in there, and it will surprise you. I like this buffalo sauce, though. It's really good. We use it a lot. I pour it all over my wife's body, and then she runs to the shower. I'm kidding. Whatever. Okay, so let's try a little bite. Yeah. Gonna have a little more sauce in there. Just a little. Let's say this is a total of 1/4 cup. Because I put 2 halves. 2 halves equal a whole, right? So that's a whole 1/4 cup, not a whole cup, okay? In case some of you guys ain't listening to my math real good. Okay. We're going to put a little salt and pepper in here to taste. And then, I think you guys are going to love this. Look at this. Love the color, texture, the taste. I think it's all there, right? Let me get some salt and pepper. Okay, salt and pepper we go. Oh, not too much now because we don't want to overdo our recipe. 2 or 3 little pinches is all you need. You know the old commercial, a pinch between your cheek and gum? It's basically the same. Okay, I don't know what I do with my spoon, so. How could you lose a spoon going from one thing to another? I don't know. But I wanted to use this anyway at the end. I want to get all my num-nums off the side of the bowl. Excuse me. I'm going to try this today with you guys at the taste test table. I'm going to put it on a little piece of my lentil tortilla that I made a batch of those today too. I love those things. They really are good. And you know, you can make a nice little wrap with that. With this, I got the egg salad I made with no mayonnaise in that. No mayonnaise in this, huh? Look at that. Look how this comes together. Look at that. Nice little meatball, huh? Mamma mia, that's a meatball. All right, let me give it another little taste here. And then we're going to plate it up and let you guys have a taste. Oh, yeah. I'm a buffalo sauce genius. That is delicious. Okay, Mr. Dan at the taste test table here. I made a large wrap today, so I took half of it from my taste test here. I could have put more chicken on there. Our chicken salad is the bomb, let me tell you. Now you could add more or not to your taste. You don't have to use the cream cheese and Greek yogurt. You can go right back to your regular mayonnaise, whatever. This is really good. Anyway, these little taco holders, little plastic, I got these from Amazon because we've been eating a fair amount of the wraps. So, but at any rate, thank you to Patti for your cookbook and the recipe that was in there that you so nicely penned in there. Chicken salad. So I borrowed that recipe and I doctored a little bit to make it a little bit buffalo chicken style. Again, no mayonnaise. Surprise ingredient, the mustard. Outside of that, this is a delicious recipe. You guys need to try it. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, you hit a little notification bell pop up, you hit that. That'll notify you each time that we have another video up. There's a little arrow down right below the video box there. You hit that. A drop down box will come down and give you the link to our Cooking with Mr. Dan Facebook page. Also give you a link to my daughter's artwork site. And it'll give you the complete recipe, the ingredients, and instructions on how we put this together. So until next time, my friends, stay hungry. And when you are, come back. We'll give you another delicious recipe just like this. It's almost gone. It was that good. But stay safe until next time. This is Mr. Dan saying we're out.